Hey there, welcome to Thanksgiving 101, History, Meaning, and Special Traditions. Today I'm diving into everything you need to know about this beloved holiday. Ready? Let's get started. So, what is Thanksgiving? It's a traditional holiday celebrated in the US, Canada, and even Australia. It's all about celebrating the harvest season and expressing gratitude for the blessings of the past year. Originally it was a religious observance, but today it's more about family and togetherness. When is Thanksgiving celebrated? In the USA, it's the fourth Thursday of November. In Canada, it's the second Monday of October. And in Australia, it's the last Saturday in May. Yep, that's because their growing season is flipped, being in the southern hemisphere and all. Now let's talk history. Back in the 16th and 17th centuries, pilgrims seeking religious freedom left England. They journeyed to the Netherlands and then to Plymouth Colony, which is present-day Massachusetts, USA, aboard the famous Mayflower. The first winter was brutal and many didn't survive. But with the help of Native Americans who taught them vital survival skills, they managed to pull through. To celebrate their first successful harvest, they held a feast to thank God and the Native Americans. This feast is considered the very origin of Thanksgiving. Modern Thanksgiving is still about gratitude, but it's also heavily focused on family reunions. After a long year of work or study, it's the perfect time to gather with loved ones. So, what are some key Thanksgiving traditions and activities? The family dinner is central. Think roast turkey, stuffing, pumpkin pie, cranberry sauce, mashed potatoes, and gravy. Delicious. The day after Thanksgiving is known as Black Friday, kicking off the Christmas shopping season with major discounts. Watching American football games is another popular tradition. And of course, there's the iconic Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade in New York City, with its elaborate floats, giant balloons, and live performances. For my friends in Australia, Thanksgiving is celebrated on the last Saturday of May. They enjoy harvest festivals, parades, and concerts. Traditional Thanksgiving foods are also a staple there. And that's a wrap on Thanksgiving 101. I hope you have a better understanding of this wonderful holiday. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and happy Thanksgiving.